Baltimore's proximity to the Chesapeake Bay brings many benefits, from scenic views to refreshing breezes, but it also presents unique challenges for homeowners. Coastal humidity, salt air, heavy rain, strong winds, and seasonal temperature shifts can take a toll on traditional windows. To protect comfort, efficiency, and long-term home value, Baltimore homeowners increasingly turn to weather-resistant windows designed specifically for coastal conditions. Here's how modern weather-resistant windows help Baltimore homes stand strong against the elements while enhancing everyday comfort. Materials built to resist moisture and corrosion. One of the biggest concerns in coastal climates is moisture. Salt air and humidity can accelerate corrosion and deterioration, especially in older window frames. Weather-resistant windows are constructed with materials such as vinyl frames that resist moisture and never rust, fiberglass frames that maintain stability despite humidity, composite materials engineered for coastal durability. These materials help windows maintain their structure and appearance despite constant exposure to damp conditions. Advanced sealing protects against wind and rain. Strong winds and driving rain are common in Baltimore's coastal weather patterns. Weather-resistant windows feature advanced sealing systems that prevent water and air infiltration. Key sealing features include multi-layer weather-stripping compression seals that tighten when windows close, reinforced frames to prevent warping. These features help keep indoor spaces dry, comfortable, and draft-free, even during storms. Insulated glass regulates indoor comfort. Baltimore experiences both humid summers and chilly winters. Weather-resistant windows use insulated glass to help regulate indoor temperatures year-round. Energy-efficient glass options include double or triple pane glass, argon gas fills to reduce heat transfer, low E coatings that reflect solar heat. These technologies reduce strain on heating and cooling systems while maintaining consistent indoor comfort. Protection against salt air damage. Salt air can accelerate wear on window components such as hardware and seals. Weather-resistant windows include corrosion-resistant hardware and protective finishes designed for coastal environments. Benefits include longer-lasting locks and hinges, reduced risk of rust, reliable window operation over time. This protection is especially important for homes closer to the waterfront. Improved noise reduction from coastal winds. Wind noise can be a constant issue in coastal areas. Multi-pane glass and tight sealing help reduce sound transmission, creating quieter indoor spaces. Homeowners benefit from reduced wind and storm noise, less disruption during bad weather, a more peaceful home environment. Noise reduction adds another layer of comfort beyond weather protection. Low maintenance finishes with long-term durability. Weather-resistant windows are designed to require minimal upkeep. Durable finishes resist fading, peeling, and corrosion caused by salt air and moisture. Homeowners enjoy less frequent cleaning, no repainting or sealing, long-lasting curb appeal. This is ideal for busy Baltimore homeowners who want lasting performance without constant maintenance. Professional installation ensures maximum protection. Even the most weather-resistant window must be installed correctly to perform as intended. Professional installation ensures proper flashing and water management, complete insulation around the frame, secure sealing against wind-driven rain. Expert installation is essential for protecting Baltimore homes from coastal weather challenges. Long-term value and peace of mind. Weather-resistant windows protect more than just comfort, they protect your investment. Homeowners benefit from lower energy bills, reduced risk of moisture damage, increased home value, confidence during severe weather. Built to withstand Baltimore's coastal conditions, weather-resistant windows are a smart upgrade for Baltimore homes exposed to coastal climate challenges. With moisture-resistant materials, advanced sealing, insulated glass, and corrosion protection, these windows are designed to perform reliably through wind, rain, humidity, and temperature changes. For Baltimore homeowners seeking long-lasting comfort and protection, investing in weather-resistant windows provides peace of mind and a more resilient home for years to come.